Hey, AS English 9. Just wanted to explain your slice of life paragraph, which is just a quick write this week. But in the end of Unit 1, you will be writing a slice of life essay, like a paper. So it'll be longer than a paragraph. So in order to kind of like learn what that's all about, know and understand how to do that, this week we're doing a little kind of like, just micro slice of life paper. So we're calling it a quick write because this is informal. This is just to get you used to showing instead of telling. But what a slice of life is just kind of what it sounds like, a little slice of your life. If your life were a pie, just a little slice of it would be like a moment. Okay, so you have a couple different things to read that are also located in this Schoology assignment. So after you read Gate A4 and Where I'm From, I want you to think about a community that you are a part of. You should have already done this, so you should know what communities you are a part of, but kind of pick one and show your reader, which is me, a moment in time from that community and how that moment connects to your idea of community. I think Gate A4 is a really great example of this because this was just a few hours in the poet's life when she was in the airport. So I think that's a really good example. But if you're on the more kind of like poetic side of things, Where I'm From was also a good kind of like picture of this poet's life. So you can write something a little more poem-like if you would like, using Where I'm From as kind of an example. So I wanted to just quickly go over the scoring guide for this. This will look very similar to the summative make in this unit, which will be a slice of life writing, not just a paragraph, but it'll be a little more in depth than that. So we want you to kind of get used to this. So the first category is focus, connection to community. So basically, you're focusing on that one moment in time, and you clearly explain how that moment connects to your idea of community. Descriptive language. So this week we focused on showing, not telling. And so you use descriptive language and imagery. Remember, imagery relates to your five senses. So you are showing me this moment instead of just telling me about this moment. Remember that sensory words list. It's linked in a couple different places in this week. And it just is a lot of really good descriptive words that you can use. I have it pulled up right here, I believe. So yeah, looks like this. And it's just sound words, touch words. These are all words that evoke the five senses, and you can use this list to kind of help broaden your vocabulary of that. Sometimes we think like, I can't think of another word for cold, but here we are. So, okay, hopping back over into our assignment, way over here, sorry. So that is the descriptive sensory language category. Organization, we just want to make sure that, it has a beginning, middle, and end. Basically, every time you write anything, it needs to have a good, clear beginning, middle, and end. And then lastly, conventions. That's always going to be just minimal errors in grammar, punctuation, spelling, point of view. Also in here, we want this paragraph to be at least 5 complete sentences. And, we don't really want to make this a multi-paragraph thing. This is just a quick write. This is just to kind of get you thinking about the idea of this slice of life. So back in your assignment here in Schoology, you are going to just start a Google Doc and type on your Google Doc, and then you will attach that Google Doc to this assignment in order to submit it. Okay, so there's nothing, I'm not giving you a place to do this. You're just creating a Google Doc and typing right on that, okay? If you have any questions, please, by all means, let me know.